In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center equations with a right justified number in Microsoft Word. If you write academic papers or technical reports in Word, you know the frustration of trying to center a mathematical equation while forcing the equation number to sit perfectly on the right margin. Using the spacebar or hitting the key tab to manually push your number over completely breaks your alignment the second you change your font or adjust page margins. Today, we're going to hand keyboard shortcuts that lock this layout flawlessly in one click. So let's drop a live equation onto the page. I'll just drop this. This is going to just be Einstein's mass energy equivalence. When you drop that, do not use standard text boxes or manual tab spaces. Instead, click exactly where you want your formula to sit and then press Alt equals on your keyboard. And as you can see, now we can type in our equation here. This will open up Word's native math rendering canvas, and now type in the formula. And after that, right after typing the equation, do not add any spaces, just type in the hashtag, and this character acts as a hidden formatting pivot command. Immediately after the hashtag, you could type your equation number inside the parentheses, like this one. Then your text entry inside the box should look exactly like this, and this is the result. And then with the code string setting in your equation box, you're all ready to activate the layout split. Simply face your cursor at the very end of the line and write half of the closing parentheses of your number. Press enter on the keyboard and there you go. And then watch the screen. The exact second you hit enter, Word's math engine parses the hashtag command. It instantly snaps the formula dead center to your margins, altering the equation number flawlessly to the absolute right-hand boundary of the page. It builds a permanent responsive link that stays locked in place even if you change that page layout later. And after this, your technical documents are now perfectly aligned to professional publishing standards without a single manual alignment hack. And that's it. That's how to center equations with a justified number in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.